The Germantown White House is a historic mansion in the Germantown section of Philadelphia. It is the oldest surviving presidential residence, having twice housed George Washington during his presidency. Edgar Allan Poe lived in this red brick home with his wife Virginia and his mother-in-law Maria Clem for about a year. During that time, he penned The Black Cat, which describes a basement that is eerily similar to the one found in this house. There was no furniture or very little furniture or any other belongings in this house, and it's assumed that everything was sold to make money when Poe wanted to go to New York. The Gloria Dei Church, known locally as Old Swedes, is a historic church located in Philadelphia. It is the oldest church in Pennsylvania and the second oldest Swedish church in the United States. Known as Curly of the Three Stooges, this is Larry Fine's birthplace. Thaddeus Kościuszko was a Polish freedom fighter and came to the United States to help with our fight against the British. He was a brilliant military engineer and designed successful fortifications during the American Revolution.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.